Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we're going to unbox a big package from the Man Company, a pack of 5 perfumes, and our cat is also curious to see what we have in this box. So let's open this package. We got 5 premium perfumes packed in this box from the Man Company. So I already have 3 of them with me, I guess. Let's open this and show you what are the perfumes that we have inside this box. We got 5 of them. The first one is Pravy, a little smaller than what I have already with me. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is Titanium, smaller packet than what I have already with me. We have Amour. We got Hero, and we got Champion. So of these 3, I got Pravy and Titanium. I'm going to give this away to the people that I know. Let's keep this aside. Okay, what is the ml that we have? This is 30 ml packet. 30 ml. We got Champion. I already have another Champion, but it's almost going to get exhausted, going to finish off. So I got another one, 30 ml packet. I never had Amour, so let me open Amour and see what it smells like. It's a nice looking package. I hate to open this up like this. The price of this is $8.99, man. That's costly. 30 ml packet, $8.99. Seriously, it does not have any coloring and the texture. So let me spray some on my hand and smell what it smells like. No, not that good. Amour, I did not like Amour. Let's put this back inside. Let me try the next one, Hero. I want Champion. I'm keeping Amour, Champion, and Hero. Let's try Hero. Here we go, Hero. And our cat Kelvish is still here, helping us unpack this pack of 5 perfumes. The cost of this is again $8.99 rupees, expiring April 2029. Is that correct, Kelvish? Are we getting that correct? So let's open this Hero packet. Again, it does not have any coloring and stickers and all that. So just a plain glass transparent bottle with the name printed on it, the type of perfume that we have. Let's try this, man. Hopefully this should be smelling good. It's kind of smells a little odd, not that impressive. Let me open Champion and smell it, whether it is the same smell that I have with another perfume box of Champion with me. Let's open this now. Okay. Okay, Kelvish is all curious as to what is all this going on. Again, $8.99, expiring April 2029. Open this and smell this stuff. I don't know, man. It smells a little weird and different. Not sure what's wrong, man. But any which ways, let's keep this and start using it. not that impressed with the original package. Might be this is a duplicate, but this is what it is. 5 perfumes for 499 rupees. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.